Hello guys! Turuan ko kayo maka-free device sa GenPlay. Basta sundin nyo lang yung gagawin ko. At mukhang matagal-tagal pa to guys. So guys, click nyo lang yung GenPlay. Wait lang kayo guys. Ay 2x speed nyo na lang guys para madali. At ay click nyo lang yung nasa ibabaw, yung Create TikTok Video, Get Device Free Now. At pagkatapos lagay nyo yung channel link nyo sa TikTok. At yung YouTube channel nyo at yung personal Discord nyo guys. At may save information dyan sa baba pag okay na. At turuan ko kayo maka-upload ng video para maka-free device kayo. Wait nyo lang. At ito pala, yung total video submitted kung ilan yung in-upload na video tungkol sa GenPlay at wait lang kayo kasi tuturuan ko kayo para maka-AFK ka na din sa Roblox o sa ibang game. At ito na pala click nyo, yung 3 na nakahiga na line. At pagkatapos click nyo, yung rules and instructions for making a video. Ito pala, yung mga step. Yung step 1, register as a creator at click nyo lang yung nasa ibaba. Yung creator.genplay.le. At yung step 2, join GenPlay Discord. Kung gusto nyo mag-join ng Discord, click nyo lamang yan yung nasa ibaba. Yung Discord na logo at kung maka-join kayo, maka-receive kayo ng 12 hours free PC usage. At ito pala guys, kailangan nyo maka-upload ng video ng naabot na 3 and 5 minutes. At ilagay nyo sa caption na hashtag GenPlay, hashtag CloudPhone, at hashtag CloudGaming. Wait lang guys, ano tong hook during the 30-second support platform at important note? Sorry guys, di ko alam yan. At ito pala guys, pag-join sa Discord server, click nyo lang yung Join Discord now. At guys, mukhang nawala yung signal dyan. Yun na pala guys, bye at ingat kayo at like and share na din, salamat.